Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over my CVS haul that I did Sunday, July 26th. These deals are good until August 1st. I did these deals as one transaction. I'll show you at the end how I got all these items for totally free, but I will break them down for you first into smaller transactions. So if you want to see how I got all these for free, just keep watching. Okay, let's start off with this deal first. All Colgate Total products are on a promotion. Spend $8, get a $4 extra care buck. It has a limit of 2, so you can spend a total of $16 and get back $8 in extra care bucks. So for this, we're going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Total mouthwashes, the 500 milliliters. They're $5.19 each. And then we're going to pick up 1 Colgate Total mouthwash, the 1 liter, for $6.79. Now we are going to use 3 of the 50-cent off Colgate mouthwash coupons from the $7.19 Smart Source, and we're going to use a 4 off 16 oral care CRT. You're going to pay $11.67 out of pocket, and you're going to get back an $8 extra care buck, making it $3.67 for all 3, or just $1.22 each, which is a pretty good deal for mouthwash. Okay, for this next promotion, we have the Crest Scoped mouthwash. They're $4.79. You buy 1 and you get a $3 extra care buck with a limit of 2. So we're going to pick up 2 of them for $4.79 each. We're going to use 2 of the $1 off one from the August P&G. You're going to pay $7.58 out of pocket. You're going to get back $6 in extra care bucks, $3 for each one that you purchased, making it just $1.58 for both, or 79 cents each. Okay, the next promotion are the Oral-B Adult Battery-Powered Toothbrushes. They're on sale for $6.99. If you buy 2, you get a $4 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2. We're going to pay $9.98 out of pocket. We're going to get back that $4 extra care buck. That makes it $5.98 for both, or $2.99 each, which is a really good deal. I like to get free toothbrushes, but for a battery-powered one, that's a pretty good deal. And if you watch to the end, I actually do get it for free. And now here's a scenario you can do for the spend 30, get 10 extra care bucks. This promotion is spend $30 on select items and get a $10 extra care buck. If you look in the ad, the things with the little CVS dollar bill thing are part of the promotion. So here's the scenario I did. First, I picked up 3 of the Pantene. They're on sale 3 for $12. I used a $5 off 3 Pantene coupon from the August P&G. I also had a $1 off Pantene app-only coupon, and I had a $2 off Pantene CRT. So if I just wanted to buy this by itself, I would pay $4 out of pocket. That makes them $1.33 each. But I'm adding it to my spend 30, get 10. So with that in mind, next I'm going to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders. They're on sale 2 for $12. I have a $3 off 2 Head & Shoulders coupon from the August P&G. I also have a $1 off Head & Shoulders app-only coupon, and I have a $2 off Head & Shoulders CRT. There is also a $3 off 2 Head & Shoulders printing at the red box, but my red box was not working. So with all those coupons, you would pay $3 out of pocket, making them $1.50 each. And now the final thing we're going to add to this scenario is Crest 3D toothpaste. They are $2.99. They're part of the spend 30, get 10. We are going to use 2 of the $2 off Crest coupons from the August P&G. We're also going to use a $3 off whitening CRT, but only $1.98 of that is going to come off because at CVS, they will not give overage with CRTs. So the 2 tubes of toothpaste total $5.98. We're taking off 4 for the Crest from the P&G. That leaves $1.98 balance. That CRT will just adjust down to $1.98. So a quick recap of our spend 30, get 10 scenario. We're going to buy 2 Head & Shoulders. They're 2 for $12. We're going to use that 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders from the P&G. We're also going to use a 2 off Head & Shoulders CRT. Plus, we're going to use that 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders CRT that's printing at the red box. We're also going to use that $1 off 1 Head & Shoulders app-only coupon. Then we're going to buy 3 of the Pantenes. They're 3 for $12. We're going to use that 5 off 3 Pantene coupon from the August P&G. We're going to use a $2 off Pantene CRT. We're going to use that $1 off Pantene app-only coupon. And we're going to use a 4 off 18 hair care CRT. And last, we're going to pick up 2 of the Crest 3D toothpaste for $2.99 each. We're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 Crest from the August P&G. And we're going to use that $3 off one whitening CRT. The total for all these items will come to $29.98. CVS follows the 98% rule, which means as long as you get 98% of the total, such as $30, then they will go ahead and count it. So again, our total before discounts is $29.98. A total of $26.98 in coupons and CRTs will come off. You will have to pay $3 out of pocket, plus tax of course. Then you will get back a $10 extra care buck, making all of these items free plus a $7 moneymaker. Okay, so everything I picked up in my transaction, I bought 2 Head & Shoulders, 2 for $12. I bought 3 Pantene, 3 for $12. Bought 2 Crest 3Ds, $2.99 each. I bought 2 Crest Scope mouthwash, $4.79 each. I bought 2 Colgate mouthwash, 500 milliliters for $5.19 each. I bought 1 Colgate mouthwash, 1 liter for $6.79. And I bought 2 of the Oral-B battery-powered toothbrushes, $6.99 each. So the total for all those items is $70.71. We had $35.50 worth of coupons and CRTs come off. If you had absolutely no extra care bucks to pay with, you would pay $35.21 out of pocket, but then you would get back $28 in extra care bucks, making this transaction just $7.21 for these 14 items, or 51 cents per item. Okay, I do accounting, so I'm kind of a spreadsheet nerd. So in the description box below, I have this spreadsheet. For you, it's basically just a printable page, but this is a breakdown of the transaction I did. You'll notice that 3 off 2 that's printing at the red box for the Head & Shoulders is not on my spreadsheet because I did not have it. Most of you watching on phone probably cannot read any of this because it's so small. That's why I've linked it in the description box below. If you want to copycat my deal, just go ahead, print this out. I would go through and I would check off all the coupons that I have and what I'm missing, and then change my totals up a little bit. My out-of-pocket breakdown will also print at the bottom of that sheet whenever you click on the link below. Things I don't count as costing me money is a beauty buck, the $3 beauty bucks you get. That's a reward you earn. I only count $5 of the Care Pass as a reward because I actually paid $5 to get the extra $5. So you'll see all that in this breakdown here. Even if I use extra care bucks that I had to get with a deal, I count that as money out of my pocket because I had to pay for that deal to begin with to get those extra care bucks. I know there's a whole great debate on whether or not you count the extra care bucks towards the money out of pocket, or you don't count it, you do count it. This is how I do it. I count them as money out of pocket because had I not paid for the previous deal that earned me the extra care buck, then I wouldn't have the extra care buck to begin with. So it's all on how you want to count it. This is how I do my math. You do your math how you want. You do you, I'll do me. So when you're looking at this, I actually scan my card for $14.21. Basically, some people would say you paid $14 out of pocket, got back $28 in extra care bucks. It's a $14 moneymaker transaction. I say I paid $14 out of pocket, plus I had some extra bucks that I used. So therefore, to me, it's like a 79-cent moneymaker transaction, but tomato, tomato, whatever. Bottom line is, it was free. So again, if you click on the printable document in the description box down below, this is what it will look like when it prints out for you. I know if you're on a phone, again, I know you're not going to be able to see this. I just wanted to show you what it looked like when you printed it. So yeah, I got all this stuff for free. I'm pretty happy with it. Just remember, not all CVS accounts have the same CRTs. It kind of goes on what you've bought in the past. If you're new, you may not have many CRTs at all. You really have to get out there and start shopping at CVS in order to get the CRTs. As you see, once you start shopping at CVS, you'll get some awesome CRTs and you will get free transactions. No, everything will not be free every single week, but you will get super cheap or free items. So that's my word of advice. Get out, start shopping at CVS. That's really all I got for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, please go ahead and do that. It really helps me out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. I really enjoy reading all your comments and responding to them. Just ignore the one that comes across every single video that says like nasty girls and with a timestamp, because I delete it as soon as I see it, but they always seem to sneak it in there on me. But anyways, that's all I got, guys. I want to thank you again for coming by and watching my videos, and until next time, bye.